Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. We're going to take a quick look here at SUI and always giving you the straight up, just being honest with you, direct and straightforward where the charts are looking here for today. And we always look at liquidation data too, and just kind of make sure we understand best practice for situations like this. So if you want to learn more, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. We've got Trading Academy, Community, and Signals Group. But at this point, we want to look at the back-end data here, kind of see what liquidation is telling us, if anything, and if we have incentive to go lower or higher. At this point, local bottom, what you could say is 228. That's really just an area of liquidation for the last 7 days. So we got a pretty low amount of leverage at that point with a stop loss and or liquidation event that could occur there. I don't think that's going to happen, just so you know, but I do think 260 is possibly the next target area for us, especially if Bitcoin continues to dump this weekend. We see a missile crisis with the war efforts. Things are just not ideal or optimal right now to try to continue to just buy the dip. Now, from a spot back perspective, it's a different story, but if you just keep taking new late long leverage trades, it's just a bad idea. I know this coin can pump and is very good about recovering quickly when it does. We're in a terrible descending channel right now. There's no reason to take it long, just so you know. At least, from a responsible trading standpoint. Liquidation delta is still heavy to the downside. We have more shorts than longs in the market right now. Now, do you short right now at support? Generally not the best idea. And when I say support, it was a previous high being retested as a new low. So this could be the bottom at that 270 to 280 range. But once more, could be potential, all that stuff exists right now because there's too much uncertainty in the market. So why trade when you're uncertain? It just doesn't make a ton of sense. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Just recognize we're below all moving averages. Our descending trend right now is still down. There's nothing fantastic. There's literally no hidden bullish convergences like people are saying, I'm sure, online right now. That term actually bugs me because nothing is hidden. The charts are pretty clear as day. And right now, there's nothing and no reason to consider a long position except buying at support, which we have double bottomed or we've retested this range multiple times. It's just not a good sign, though. It's not a vote of confidence. It's not something you want to take a long into, especially when Bitcoin is kind of on the edge of disaster right now. So all that said, don't trade this coin to the upside. If you're going to consider a short, wait for us to break below 277 and hold below that level for 24 hours. I know it seems crazy. Oftentimes you miss a lot of opportunities doing that. But if you wait for confirmation and you just wait a little bit longer, you're going to find yourself going to be in much better positions, albeit less positions overall. You'll still find more consistency. Okay, and it's difficult to find consistency in the market right now. I'm honestly having difficulty with it too. Like I was going to short Bitcoin at 106,000. I woke up, it was at the 106K range and came back down since I had fallen, since I went to sleep and woke up again. It's just, the market is just not giving a lot of opportunities. So do not get frustrated. It happens. It's totally okay. This is normal. The key takeaway here is that the war efforts are destroying the market right now and is destroying good opportunities. So until that stops, we're going to have to deal with this chop and just this ridiculous price action. But you're still more favorable to find success going down than up. That's the key takeaway here. All right. Anyways, join us over at Bitunix if you haven't yet already, folks. Use my links below for future benefits and rewards. Awesome exchange. And obviously I have a Trading Academy, Community, and Signals group and a good Twitter, Telegram, and Discord as well. So starting to pick up some followers there. Appreciate the support and always liking and commenting on the videos and content online. Thank you. Look forward to seeing the next one. Hope you have a good one. Take care of yourself out there. We'll see you soon.